Lovers, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will be discussing indoor plants, looking at all the indoor plants we have in our home and how to take care of it. So come along. Indoor plants have become a very big part of our homes, and especially now during lockdown, you need just something to lift your spirits a little bit. So tending to your indoor plants could be just the thing for you. Some of you use faux plants, which is okay. I'm a bit of a fan of real plants. Can't take care of them very well, but we're going to try and figure it out all together. So I'm just going to introduce you to some of the plants that I have. Some of them have names, some of them don't. This is Kaiser, because he is the king of all the indoor plants that we have. As you can see, he grows quite big and quite tall, which is really nice. Then we have the small plants. She doesn't look like she's doing too well, so I don't know. She doesn't have a name yet. We'll call her Mia. So the thinking behind giving your plants names apparently is if you name your plants and speak to your plants, they'll grow better, which makes a lot of sense because they are actually living things. So just like you would call anything else that is living, like your pet, you should name your plants. So we've got Kaiser, we've got Mia here, we've got Naya here, we've got Jabulile, and I don't know, we don't have names yet, we'll figure it out. Okay, anyway. So I'm going to start by tending to the plants. This plant is a new addition to our home collection. It is a succulent. I'm not sure if it's doing well. I got it from our backyard and I thought it would look great indoors. But I'm not too sure if it's doing well, so it might be changing the location, getting better sunlight. That might get it growing better. So we'll start over here. Tip number one, when it comes to watering your plants, sometimes you're afraid that we'll overwater or underwater. So one of the things that I do know about planting is how do you know whether you need to water it? So you just feel it with the tip of your finger, and if it feels moist, then it should still be okay. The great thing about succulents is they retain a lot of water, so you don't need to water them much. What you can do is wait to see if the soil is dry and then water from there. So this one is still moist, we're going to leave it alone. But another thing that you should do is just wipe down the leaves of your plants. So you would just wipe that down. This is also just to give it breathing room, because if the pores are dirty, it's just like taking care of your skin really. If your pores are dirty, then your skin won't breathe. So the same applies to your plants. So now we'll be moving on to my next plant. This is one of my favorite plants. It's the first plant I bought when I bought my very first apartment. And I got this from Builder's Warehouse. And the pot is from Mr. Price Home. But I got this about 3 years ago. I'm not too sure if they still have the planter. But yeah, what I like about this plant is it starts small, but it grows really high and really big. The leaves are quite big, which makes it also easy to clean, and it fills out the space really nicely. So I'm going to do the same thing here and just wipe it down. You can see it's got quite a bit of dust, and that's the one thing that you need to remember to do, just to wipe them down. Now this one is doing really well. We don't have any dead leaves, and this stays by our window, so it might just be that it's getting enough sunlight, natural light. Feel the soil. So the soil is not yet dry, but it is getting dry. It's lost a bit of moisture, so we're gonna water it a bit. plant takes long to absorb the water, then that means that it's already got quite a bit of water. So it's absorbing really fast. I think that's fine for now. We'll see. Now this one's also doing really well. As you can see, there's new sprouts. That's really cute. So this one's doing really well. The pot I also got from Mr. Price Home. I'm gonna put a tad bit of water. The plants don't seem to be as dry as I expected them to be. And again, that's probably because of change of season. So I'm not gonna put too much water in there. What I love about Mia is Mia's very resilient. I've had her for about 4 years now. Mia's one of the plants that I didn't pay much attention to, but we're gonna try and revive her, and she seems to be thriving. I mean, look at that. So what needs to happen with Mia is we're gonna remove these leaves, these dead leaves. I just cut it at an angle. When you cut off the leaves of your plant, just plunk them back into the soil. Now, the big plant, Kaiser. The soil is quite dry, it needs a bit of water. What we usually do, I'm not sure if this is the right way of doing things, so please, if you do have solutions, let me know. What we do is we leave a little bit of water in this plate so it can still absorb from the roots. And then I'll just be doing a little bit later because I'd like to do that outside. So we're just gonna give Kaiser a bit of water. Hi Kaiser, you're doing great. I mean, just speak to it, you know? And I think it'll be great. Then you take the cloth and wipe the leaves. So you see the water is already draining out into the plate. What I do know about orchids is you put about 5 to 7 ice cubes and let it absorb. This is in winter. I mean, this is in summer. So winter, I'm not too sure. I'm going to try the same method of just feeling the roots. But it still looks quite moist to me. So if you have a spray bottle, you can use a spray bottle. I don't have one right now, but I'm just gonna wet my hands and just sprinkle it like that. Just lightly sprinkle the plant. And that should be good. So that was me taking care of my indoor plants, and I hope yours are thriving. I think it's really great to have live plants in your home. It just brightens up the house, it helps with the oxygen in the house, and it's great to just have living things, especially during this time. It's really amazing to focus on making sure that something lives and thrives as we go through the trying times. So that's that on that. I hope you enjoyed watering the plants with me. As we go, we'll grow and learn more about taking care of plants, and whatever I learn, I'll share with you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Have a great Friday.